Killer here. December the 11th. I think today's Wednesday. Anyway, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm on I-40 East, headed down out of the mountains of western North Carolina into the Piedmont, going over to Caldwell County for a rifle hunt. 3-day rifle hunt. I'm going to be here today, Thursday, and Friday, leaving on Saturday, so it's really 4 days. But it's supposed to rain Saturday, but it's been raining for a week. It finally cleared off. It got bone chilly cold. It's 20 degrees this morning. It's supposed to be similar to that for the next 3 days. Almost there. This is an awesome piece of property we hunt on. All surrounding it, it included, is thousands of acres of 30-year-old clear cuts. It's just crawling with deer. Well, we're here, set up. Expecting some rain later in the week, so put a little shelter up here, a little tarp shelter.
What's up?
About ready to go hunting?
Good. Gonna be good.
Cool. Alright, folks. Josh was sitting up there on the side of the hill this morning and shot a buck. He ran down through this holler. Did you mark where he crossed? Okay. He said he's pretty sure he ran right up on this hill over here and fell over, but he backed out. He didn't want to push him. Josh. He's a biggin', Bo. That's a biggin', dog. You nailed his ass. Go get him, son. Fucking A, that's a big buck, dog. Holy shit, Josh. Dude, that's a stud. That's a freaking stud. Son, get down there and hold them fucking horns up. Good job. How about the 5-point? You nailed him perfect.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Hey, buddy, that's a nice buck, man.
That's a stud.
Oh.
Blew his tongue off, or he bit it off.
Holy cow. What a stud of a buck.
That is amazing.
That's a mountain buck too, boys. That ain't no freaking South Carolina farm deer right there. That son of a gun's eating laurel, and I mean, that's a mountain buck. Those are hard to come by that big. I've only killed one. I've been hunting up here 10 years.
This is about as big of a...
No exit wound, so that thing toted off a 300 Magnum. What grain bullet you shooting?
165 grain SST 300 Win Mag at 25 yards.
At 25 yards, and he ran. Okay, now one more. I want to turn his head all the way around this way if you can hold all that and do all that. That's perfect because his head was behind the shadow of that tree there for a second. Oh, this is going to be a good one right here. I'm getting there.
Yeah, you're good.
Smile real big. Okay. Just make, I mean, yeah, you look at him, we can take as many pictures as you freaking want.
I think you're solid, man. Look at the fucking
stuff.
him.
No pictures of a buck like that sucks. And I've killed several and not got no goddamn pictures.
That's a great picture, man. No, these are good. These are good.
Several nice bucks and never got a damn picture of it.
I'm loving it.
Josh using a buck Vanguard with the gut hook.
Yes, sir.
Very nice knife.
Order of operations.
Well, he's up in the 190s, man.
Holy shit.
You call it.
2 pounds under. What is that? How much are the markings?
So that's 195.
Well, 195.
195. 195 pounds on the hook. That's a big ass buck. I ain't never killed a buck 195 pounds.
Holy cow.
That's a good one, buddy. 195 pounds, ladies and gentlemen. There you see it.
Wow. That is a big deer. That is a damn big deer. Are you shitting me?
I mean, I knew he was big. Look at it. I mean, look how thick he is.
That's a big deer. God, he is. Chest on him.
I mean, you stand right there beside him. I mean, I still got to back up to get the whole thing, and that's a nice one, buddy. That's what deer camp's all about, right there. It was a damn good one, though.
It's better than I thought it was gonna fucking be. I can tell you that going into it. I didn't even know if I was gonna hunt this year.
Yeah.
I really didn't. I didn't know if I'd even get a chance.
I knew I'd be able to hunt a little bit, but I, you know. This is the last day. North Carolina deer season ends tomorrow. It's a 100% chance of rain. It's supposed to be hot and rainy. It's been an awesome trip so far. Me and Josh have just had the time of our lives. I haven't killed a deer. I've only seen 2. Couldn't get shots on either one. So this is where Josh killed his big 8-point. He actually killed it standing right down there, about 20 yards from here. Not out there in the field, but we got that planted food plot, and got a little bait station right there on this side of it. It's the most deer activity on the whole property right now. It's right here. So me and Josh switched up. He's sitting on top of the mountain. I came down in the bottom, and see what happens. See if we can't get one. I'd love to get one more. Cool. Can't ask for a more beautiful spot to sit, I'll tell you that. I believe it's down. Big doe. Awesome. She toted that shot off, though. I had a decent rest. Can't believe I didn't knock her right down. I shot her right on the shoulder. It looked like I may have hit her a little low. We'll see when we get over there to her. She didn't go far. Cool. Yes, sir. And I'll tell you, so impressed with the little 7mm 08 so far. It really is just an awesome deer rifle.
Can't believe it didn't put that girl down on her back, but it sure left a big enough hole for an easy blood trail. Oh damn, that wasn't a doe at all. It was a spike. I didn't even see them spikes. I wouldn't have shot that son of a gun if I'd seen that. I seen him dragging that front leg. But anyway, cool. Another deer in the freezer. Nice. That's number 3. I need one more. But I'm not going to be greedy. I thank the Lord for that one. Thank you, Lord. Little mountain spiker. Awesome. Whew. Well, Josh will be around here on the 4-wheeler after dark, so I'm going to get him out of here and get him down to the edge of the field and have a little quiet moment with him. Oh, there he is, guys. 110-pound spike. And I'm hanging up on the buck pole. Anyway, got Josh's deer in the cooler. I'm gonna try to pack my deer on top of him. That's a 120 quart cooler. We're gonna try it anyway. How about this trip, Josh?
That's what I'm talking about.
God, dog.
Double.
Dubel. And we got a bottle of Malbec, and we got some steaks marinating.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh my God.
It's gonna be good.
Gonna be a good night.
Silver bullet.
High five, brother. Sweet.
That's what I'm talking about.
Cool. Well, guys, I appreciate everybody watching my videos as always, and we'll see you next time.